No guys. Don't give me an extreme punishment day.
Shut up. Today is punishment day and that's final. First punishment, chainsaw in your brain.
No 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 no.
Roku Kunzelena, Cole, and Abuela. Tell us. How freaking dare you give your daughter 15th punishment day? The police didn't stop you just in time because you chainsawed her face. Do you realize that it's very illegal and child abuse?
We're so sorry about Johnny. We're just being very stupid because Dora is a huge troublemaker for causing so much trouble in the city. So we have todo this to eliminate her.
What? Forgiveness? You just chainsawed Rokukun's Dora and Caillou. You know giving children insane punishment days can get you arrested and executed for life. You just like that you change your behavior, but you just ruined our promise. You're in big trouble now.
I have told you many times not to commit child abuse, but you didn't listen to us. You are now look like a troublemaker.
It's unfair for me to say this. I didn't do anything to you.
Because you're so fucking bad troublemakers. You leave Rokun the Vyondas Caillou and Dora alone right now, you fucking idiot. You stupid gracious monsters. You're gonna pay for what you did this to that poor little kids.
Even you don't realize, you'll prove it to innocent but no. You are doing these gangster activities in this school every day, and you almost destroyed children's school. You'll pay the heck large bills and destruction of this school property.
For all the crimes you have done to Roku-kun the Vyanders Caillou and Dora by abusing them 24/7. You are hereby expelled from this school permanently. I don't want to hear your necessary words that are useless either.
No. Please, don't do this. Let us explain.
No buts. Get out. Now.
Let's go home, kids.